This battle goes against everything I stand for. I cannot fight.
We'll surround Chengdu and force out Liu Zhang. Zhao Yun and Zhang Fei cover the south gate. Pang Tong take the east. I'll cover the north.
The people of Shu refuse to be invaded.
This forest looks suspicious. Proceed with caution.
It's about time I faced a worthy opponent.
Another has fallen to my spear! Liu Bei, have you lost all sense of your integrity? Won't lose a second time. Another has fallen to my spear!
Beat it! Don't step another foot in our land!
Stand down! Lord Liu Bei will govern Shu with benevolence. Lord Liu Bei is fighting for peace. He is fighting for your lives.
Easy for you to say, this is our home!
We don't want to change our way of life. Go away now, you thief!
It's about time I faced a worthy opponent.
Another has fallen to my spear!
Wipe them out!
Come! Hit me with everything you got!
Take this!
I must retreat. For now.
Another has fallen to my spear! Another has fallen to my spear!
I must retreat. For now.
Another has fallen to my spear! Who's this so-called man of virtue I've heard about?
It'll take more than just you to stop me.
Take this!
It's about time I faced a worthy opponent.
Another has fallen to my spear!
Let's open the outer gates and see who joins us.
Get out of our lands and don't come back!
I challenge you!
Take this!
Now, attack! I won't lose a second time. Another has fallen to my spear!
Hey, way to go!
Bring out more allies to increase the threat.
I won't lose a second time. Another has fallen to my spear!
Now you've made me angry. It's about time I faced a worthy opponent.
Another has fallen to my spear!
It's about time I faced a worthy opponent.
Another has fallen to my spear!
Not bad. Now it's my turn.
You should have brought your allies here. I won't be denied next time.
Another has fallen to my spear!
We should be able to handle this. I shall show no mercy. I won't be denied next time.
Another has fallen to my spear!
Now all we have to do is deal with Liu Zhang.
I refuse to give up without a fight. I don't like the looks of this.
Attacked my family, forced to surrender, to give up the land of my fathers. I'm sure to be the laughing stock of future peoples.
Master Liu Zhang, forgive me. But my ideal has no place for doubt. I shall restore the Han Empire and it shall all start here in Shu. I have defeated Liu Zhang and gained the lands of Shu. If it weren't for everybody's support, I would have forsaken both justice and the lands of Shu in the name of humanity. Now that I have the rich and fertile lands of Shu under my control, I shall not fall behind Cao Cao and Wu. Finally, the path to a land that exists for the people has been opened.
A new response.